Hello everyone, good morning. I may take a little longer than 2 minutes. Sorry for that. I'm talking.
120, 119, 118, 117. Okay, continue, please.
Yeah, I'm extremely happy to be a part of Bodhi family and then giving a deep insight into yogic science. What takeaway I have from this course is managing my time and managing my temper. I am extremely a short-tempered person, and my family members had given me feedback every now and then. You have to work on your temper. You have to work on your temper. As a child, also I have been extremely aggressive, and even in public places, I've been like very rude and I don't know. I have been like this as a child as well, and my mom has like tried to correct me every now and then, but I couldn't work on my temper. And then time management is another one. Even in my office, a lot of people used to give me the feedback that okay, you work well, you work hard also, but if you're not able to manage your time, you cannot stand out in the crowd. You cannot do anything if you're not able to manage time and all that. And every time during the annual meet, my manager used to tell me that you're really bad at time management. Going to office and everything, I'm really bad at it. Even in my college days, most of my lecturers used to call me half Meghna, because I used to go half an hour late to every class. So time management has been a really difficult task to me, and that's why I was just procrastinating to take yoga classes as well. And I was doing my courses in dance, so I thought I'll do it next year, next year, and 3 years passed, and I didn't do anything about yoga. I had always been inclined towards yoga, but I never did some concrete course like this. I always thought I can watch YouTube videos. My dad also does yoga. I used to ask him if I'm doing some mistake and all that. But it continued. But I always crave for doing such a concrete course, get a complete insight about yoga, and understand what yoga beyond asanas. I used to do dance as a child, and I used to do a lot of exercises. But in my mind, yoga is all about asanas, nothing else. But I've seen a lot of people talking about yoga as a way of life, and I was wondering why they exaggerate yoga so much. Why is it so different from normal exercise or gym workouts? I used to go for gym and all that. I thought this is just the same. And if you're doing the same exercise in gym also, it's just the same. I didn't have a holistic idea of yoga. I mean, as a whole, what yoga does to your body. That is why I wanted to take up a course like this or attend workshops and all that. I had attended few workshops on pranayama in Mysore, and I had taken a course also, but I was not serious, I guess, so I didn't get a full benefit of it. And yeah, that is why I wanted to do a teacher training course. I thought maybe in that course I'll get a complete picture or like complete knowledge about yoga, starting from where, what it does to your body and all that. But I didn't take it up. That's the major problem. And during lockdown, one of my friends who did her 200 hours course in Bodhi told me that you should take this course. It's really good, and the syllabus what they're covering is really good. And she said it is online class. And I thought that's the only drawback for me to take this course. I thought online classes doesn't work because I've never taken online classes before. That too, a course like this, yoga or dance online, was like not a great idea for me. And even when I joined yoga, I mean, Bodhi, I asked your Ashok sir on the first day that how different would it be when it is online and normal classes. I was really skeptical about this, whether online classes work really. What if I do some mistake? What if the trainer doesn't look at me? If she is looking at some other screen, what if I do some mistake? And what if I injure myself? I had a lot of doubts before joining Bodhi also. And that's why I asked Ashok sir on the day one itself. But as the days progressed in the course, I thought online class is the best. Like maybe it is better than the normal classes because I get to spend time right from the start of the class and till the end sitting at home. I think if I had to take a normal class, I would have been late at least for an hour, I guess. So managing time because of online class, I'm able to do it really well. I wanted to really challenge myself. That's why I took 5 a.m. class in particular. I mean, purposefully, I told my mom that I've taken this course, and she said you're not going to attend even a single class because I've never got up early. I have always got up. I mean, earliest is my 8 o'clock. That's the maximum I can stretch. Even if I sleep at 8 o'clock, I can get up only at 8 o'clock. Even if I have office at 9 o'clock, I would get up at 8 o'clock. So getting up early has been really, really difficult for me. Even during my engineering exams, I used to struggle to get up at 5 o'clock. I would rather skip my internals rather than getting up 5 o'clock. That is how my mind had set. So that's why I thought, okay, I've taken up this course. I have to give my 100%. Let me see, let me push myself more and take 5 o'clock class and let me see how it works. And I'm really proud of myself that I didn't skip any class. Not even, I just skipped one class because I was not feeling well. Other than that, I've never skipped even a single class throughout the 2 months course. And managing my temper has been really easy after joining yoga class. I don't know how it is happening, but it is happening somehow. But I'm not at all getting angry. I'm not getting irritated for anything. My parents are like really scared now. What is happening to her? Why is she not shouting? Why is she being so calm? What happened to her all of a sudden? And my fiance was really surprised and shocked and scared at the same time. He was like, is it calm before the storm? Why are you being so quiet? Why are you not shouting? What happened to you all of a sudden? And he's scared. Like, what if she's calm during this course and all of a sudden she explodes? If she stops yogas, that is how changes I've seen. And even in office, a lot of people ask me, you're losing weight and you're being really calm and you don't get irritated so easily and all that. Even a small email used to get me worked up so, I mean, so worse. I used to look at